When creating headings in Word, it's very important to use the right tools for the right job, as Montgomery Scott would say. So what I've done here is I've given you an example of what someone might do if they just want to title something. They've got a standard title here, and all they've done is increase the font size to whatever visual format they're liking, and then they've either boldened it or whatever else they want to add. So this gives the illusion of a level 1 heading, however it's really not. What you can do is number these manually, but if you've got something like all these different headings as I have, then you're not really going to want to do that. You want the computer to do it. So to save yourself some time and effort, you should use the right styles. We can go to heading 1 here and then heading 2 here. Now we have the correct style set up. All we need to do is go to home and then go to multi-list and then pick whatever heading format we like. I tend to like the 1.1, 1.2s, etc. And this then propagates throughout the entire document. And the great thing is that if I change these to level heading 2, you'll notice that it automatically propagates through the entire document. In fact, it's even gone into section 2. If you decide you don't like this standard Word blue formatting, then you can actually choose another design layout very quickly. All you do is click on the Design tab here, and then you'll be presented with a number of options. For example, we can click on this one. We'll have a different style here. We can have it in green, we can have it in capitals, we can have a more bold style, we can have something with lines. There's a lot to choose from. As you can see, you've got a number of different options you can choose from. If you want to add even more style, then what you can do is actually change it yourself. To do this, go to Home and then right click on the style you want and click on Modify, and then you can change the colour. Click on OK, and you can change any other settings as well. So you can have completely custom headings that will be completely repeatable throughout your entire document by using the style tools correctly. And of course this applies to heading level 1, 2, 3 and 4. The other great reason for using proper heading styles in your documents is if you ever want to export it to something like HTML, then it will convert the headings into the right HTML tags and format, so your web page will come out much cleaner and you will have to do less editing and modification at the end. I hope this tutorial has been useful, and I hope you come back for more. You know, if there's one thing I can't live without, it's this SD card holder. It's got all my SD cards on. Why did the chicken cross the road? To tell you this terrible joke. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. It really helps me out.